Okay guys, let me show you how to create a video where an artificial intelligent robot stands as a presenter in your video, or even creating ads for companies. For news video, you can use it where the robot stands as a presenter, speaking and reading out your scripts. Okay, so let's go. So go to movio.la. So once your homepage opens, click on Try Movio for free. You confirm my account, I click on confirm. So once you click it, you go through the process of creating accounts with them. So here you can see there are a lot of templates you can work with. So if you're creating something like for advertisements, so you can click here, you see the templates for advertisements. If it's social media, you click on social media to create for your social media adverts, okay? So whatever it is, or maybe let's go to breaking news. If it's breaking news, if it's about news, you will create about news. So let's say, for example, I want to create for about news. So I will just choose this one, for example. So it will preview the video. You can play it and preview if it's what you want. So if you have decided that this is the template you want to use, you click on use templates. You can see it here. You click on it. So you'll be taken to the editing platform. So from here in the editing platform, you can see you can choose any of the robots you want to use as your presenter. So all of them here, you can choose any of them. So let's say, for example, I want to be able to use this man as my presenter. So what I'm going to do, I will click on it. I can minimize it or I can maximize it. I can move it to place it at any side I want to. After you have selected your robot presenter, you can come down here at the text section and include your text and type in your text. You can see here. So now that I have copied and typed in my own text, let's preview and play our video and see how it looks. So I'm going to tap on play. So this is our video playing, as you can see here.
And Ukraine are seriously engaged in a war that no one knows when is going to stop.
So you see that the avatar will be the one presenting the script of what I typed in there. But one thing you have to notice here, it says that in the preview window that the avatar you selected will not be moving. But once you finish editing it and download your video, you see the avatar moving. So I will show you now. So now let's say, for example, you have finished creating your video with the avatar or your advert with the avatar, robot avatar of AI, which is artificial intelligence. So once you're done editing, here, before you're done here you can increase the speed or whatever. So you can always try and play around with it, okay? So once you're done editing your videos, so all you need to do is to go here on the submit button, click on submit. So when you create an account with this website, they will give you credit. Once you use it to create your videos, so your credit will be going down. As you can see here, that credit needed for this video is 29S. But the credit I have is 32S, of which I can still use it. So once it's done, click on submit. Then your video will be submitted and it will start processing. So once it's done with the processing, you can download it to your computer. So let's just wait until it finishes with its processing, okay? So now that our video has finished compiling, so now we have to go ahead and download it. So to download it, click on this icon here. You click it, then your video will start downloading, as you can see here. So let's open it. As it has finished downloading, let's open it and view our video. So this is the video.
Russia and Ukraine are seriously engaged in a war that no one knows when is going to stop. But my prayers are that all these killings should stop. Why can't we live without a war on this eve? Peace to the world. That's my prayer.
So if your credit is finished, you want to add more credit. You see here, you come under here, you add more credit. So you see how much it costs. Then you can also get credit by referring your friends to use this platform. To do that, go to referral. You see, read it through. If you refer your friends, you get more points, okay? You get more credit, okay? So this is how it works. Good luck with creating your artificial intelligence video with this platform.